how database looks like. Okay, that's a very interesting question. Um, Database looks like a collection of tables. In any database, if you go, one thing is guaranteed. It may have one table or it may have 100 table, 5 table, 10 table. I don't know. It depends on everybody's database is designed by their developer or architect guy. In my company, we have our own developer architect who designed the database based on our need. Amazon, they did according to them. Google, they did according. So everyone, whatever the application, they design. But one thing is guaranteed, that it looks like it has a number of tables. So inside the tables, what do you store? You store the information. So how the tables looks like, I give this example in the class, and I want to stick with this. You have to think about which database, which example you have to take, and I will say college database. What do you mean by college database? I'm taking the example of any college, and let's say there is a so example is like this. Let's say college has application, has web application. Okay. What this web application does, it does number of things. You know, it is store um, students information, store department information, store faculty information, store who, you know, who takes what kind of courses, which student is enrolled in which department. You know, these kind of things you can expect. Like, you know, if you go to any college like here, University of Maryland, or you know, even or any university, any college, if you go and they have the applications, web application, where you know, the student go and register, fill up their information, all the faculty information is there, all the various department locations, you know, who is heading the department, and you know, all the personal information of faculty, and also, you know, they're storing all this information, like who is enrolled in which department, and you know, all those kind of things. So this is what the application is. And then when they decide to create that application, what they will do is, so this is a requirement. You know, some college need this. Is, you can say, this is my requirement. Okay. What you need to do is, you need to you know, design front end, and you can design back end. I'm talking about how the things happen in the industry. So who designed the backend? Architect. The guy who's architect, who know, he will design it. So I'll give you some idea how, what exactly he will do. And then we will learn some more concept like constraint and primary key and foreign key and all those things, you know. So once you go in the database, it is needed. But so if you have to see how the college database looks like, as I say, if you go here, definitely number of tables, and plus some rules. You will see those tables. First, it will have a table. So let's see how the table looks like, you know, and it's up to the database architect how many tables he create. He see, you know, so